Welcome to the Coach Nick Hilton Week in Review. I'm going to do one of these little segments every week, just kind of talk about my training since I coach myself, kind of give you the insights in terms of how that works. Talk about what I did this week, shoes I wore, and then some other fun little facts and things like that. So this week in review is for 5/18 to 5/24, this past 7-day stretch. This is week 3 of this particular 4-week cycle. All my training right now is broken into 4-week cycles where I'm cycling from 80% to 100% of my peak volume and adding workouts in there and things like that. I ran 105 miles this week. That's about 90% of my peak. My peak currently is about 120, so I kind of spend a lot of time in that 1 to 110 range with occasional weeks up a little bit higher. And then I did 2 Q sessions this week, 2 quality sessions or workouts. The first one is one that I think everybody can involve or incorporate into their training. It's 10 by 1 minute hard, 1 minute steady. So I'm kind of oscillating between a minute at like my 5K race effort on the roads and then a minute at a steady, easy effort. So not a jog, but a little bit faster than that. That's something I think that everybody can do that really kind of gets you some time at your VO2 max and gets you some time spinning your legs over a little bit quicker. My second workout of the week was a marathon pace steady state. So just something that's consistent at my marathon effort just to get used to that feeling and to get a really good aerobic stimulus from that. I did 6 at M pace, 1 easy, and then another 4 at M pace for 16 total miles throughout the session, plus warm up and cool down. The next segment is shoes I wore this week. So it's always kind of interesting to see what people have on their feet. For myself, I wore the Saucony Triumph 7 as a trainer, and then I wore the Saucony Freedom 3 as well. And then for workouts, I wore the Nike Vaporfly Next Percent, so they're fast, cushy marathon trainer, and the Nike Pegasus Turbo 2 for my long runs and other workouts. The last is my fun fact. My fun fact is the number of runs I did with brown dogs. I've got brown dogs. There's one right here, and then there's one behind you over there as well too. We got 5 total runs with brown dogs this week, 3 with Benny, and then 2 with our other dog named Rad. And that's the weekend review. So you can find me here on Instagram at Coach Nick Hilton or my personal page at Nack Hilton with an A. You can also find me on Facebook at Nick Hilton Performance Running or my website, which you can link in my bio for all my coaching products and information there. If you're interested in seeing my training and how it kind of unfolds throughout the week, you can find it on my Strava page. Just go on Strava and search Nick Hilton. I upload all my runs there so you can see my runs, my workouts, and all that stuff. Well, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more content later in the week.